All right, Lindy Lou, what are you doing?
So today we're doing some quality control on the new seats that we just brought back. Just picked them up yesterday, got back right at closing time. So this is what they look like fresh. I haven't even unbagged this one yet. So you're witnessing this. So completely unbagged, looking good. These are the swatches from the other video we posted, what, a couple weeks ago or something that we did. So this is them all finished. So
they come with
these mounting bolts right here. So they all come with that. And then for your convenience, we add this extra mounting bolt that you need.
with washer and a nut.
Yeah. So
Let me get around here and look at this.
it'll come like that. I'll tape this so it doesn't jiggle around in the box for you. So
All right, so these are gel seats.
really comfortable.
Here's the rear one. So let's show. So also put some extra vinyl here to keep it from scratching the paint. So we'll put a sheathing on there, and that kind of helps in case you get a really nice bike. If you don't, then it doesn't matter. So that's our pillion pad. All right, so there's that. Let's show that on the bike there, Lindy Lou.
All right, well, first of all, this is the solo seat mounted up. We have to do this with each of them, take them out of the box, get them all bolted up, make sure everything lines up right down the center, make sure it's looking good, because we only want to give you guys the best. We're not going to give you a crooked seat. All of them have been good so far, but I'm not even done with quality control yet. So,
Okay, so you're gonna make sure all those are good.
Yep.
Show them the pillion seat on that.
I am. So that one's lightly bolted on. So the pillion seat,
Hey, Stevie.
desire one.
All right, so then we got the two bolts, and you'll provide the two bolts with washers for that too.
Yeah. So
All right, so there we go.
they're pretty self-explanatory. It goes on like that, and then
We'll go on the other way, but that's okay. We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
We'll put the bolts in the box that they got for the pillion seats. Okay, so we got these in. We got some going out there by the door over there. The pillion seats right now, as of May 2026, are $475. The solo seats are $635 plus shipping. Both of them are plus shipping. So we're getting these things out. Stevie's over here making noise.
I can't help it, I got shit to do.
Stevie's got shit to do. Here's, we'll do an update for Dale. I think we sent him a video, but that was that beautiful green bike. So we're revamping a lot of stuff on this. We got to repaint the fender, and Stevie's already blasted the motor and tranny on that, so that's going. Here's some seats ready to go out.
I packaged them up. We haven't even gotten a video up. They haven't even been in the shop for probably 12 hours, and we already got seats selling, going out the door. So you guys better get them, because they sell out really, really fast, and they're really great. So you want to get yours now, because they're going to be gone really soon, and then you're all going to be sad.
So Lindsay don't want you to be sad. Don't be sad.
No, don't be sad. Get your seat and be happy.
Okay, there you go.
I'm gonna buy 10 of them.
Are you gonna buy
And
10?
then sell them to customers for $7.75 after you run out.
you bastard, Stevie.
Buy them before Steve buys them and screws everybody over.
All right, guys, thank you very much. Lindy's busy away doing this, and call the shop if you need a seat. Thank you guys very much. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.